Hi all, I'm going to be showing you today how to shape pizza dough and to turn the dough that has already proven once into pizza balls. So we've got our proven dough here, some semolina that we're going to be sprinkling on the worktop, and a tray for the second proving. We're going to be working on our dough, proven dough, and folding it a couple of times over itself, like so. Then spreading it gently and shape it into a bowl. Once you've got that, the next step is what we call in Italian pirlatura, which creates a taut surface around your pizza ball that holds the shape of your dough before spreading it into a pizza. And that is done by holding your hand like this and rolling your dough over the worktop like so, pushing the skin underneath to create a very taut and nice surface. The next step is to coat your pizza ball in semolina so that it doesn't stick to the others, and let it prove for a second time. And that's how you shape your pizza dough into pizza balls.